In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add Email Octopus to my Godaddy website. If you have an email list and you want people to sign up directly from your site, Email Octopus forms are a simple way to do that. In this walkthrough, you will create an inline form in Email Octopus, copy the embed code, then place it on your Godaddy website and publish the changes. First, open Email Octopus and go to the Grow section. From there, find and select Forms. This is where you manage the different sign-up forms you can add to your website. Take a moment to make sure you are viewing the Forms area, since the next options appear in that part of the dashboard. Next, create an inline form. Look for the option to create or add a new form, then choose Inline. Inline forms are designed to appear directly on the page without redirecting the visitor to a separate page. This makes it feel more seamless and easy for visitors to complete. After you create the inline form, you will need to get the embed details. Click Add to your website, and then copy the code. On screen, you should see a button or a prompt that says Add to your website, followed by an instruction to copy the provided embed code. Copying it now is important because you will paste it into Godaddy in the next steps. Now that you have the Email Octopus code copied, you can switch to your Godaddy account. Go to your Godaddy site editor by clicking Edit Website. This will open the Page Builder or Website Editing screen, where you can add new content blocks to your pages. Once the editor is open, locate the place where you want the form to appear. Find the area on the page, and then click Add Section, which usually appears as a plus icon with an option that says Add Section or something similar. This step matters because it ensures the form is inserted into the correct part of the page layout. Mimiadevs emalimlenwend mrof and madintifel. This is necessary because the form you copied from Email Octopus is provided as code, and the HTML section is the tool that lets you paste and render that code on your site. With the HTML section added, you will see an area labeled for custom code or a text box meant for HTML input. Paste the Email Octopus code into the custom code field. Make sure you paste the entire snippet exactly as it was provided. If you only paste part of the code, the form may not display properly, so it is worth double-checking that the full block is there. Finally, once the code is pasted, you can publish your changes. Look for the Publish button in the Godaddy editor and click Publish to apply the new content to your live website. Publishing is the step that makes the form appear for visitors, so do not skip it. And that is all there is to it. After publishing, you can open your website in a new tab to confirm the Email Octopus inline form shows up where you added the HTML section. If you copied the code correctly and published successfully, your sign-up form should be ready for new subscribers right away. That covers everything you need to know.